Hello everyone, my name is Akash and welcome to PySpark Learning Hub. In this video, we will be solving an PySpark problem. I will be demonstrating my approach or my way of solving PySpark problem. With this, we will learn some concepts of PySpark also. Any PySpark problem solving process typically involves few important steps. Step 1, understanding and discussing the problem. Step 2, identifying the input data and expected output. Step 3, writing the PySpark code to solve the problem. Alright, let's see today's problem statement. Today's problem statement is game plan analysis 1. Actually, it is 2. Yeah. Game plan analysis 2. Game plan analysis 1 we have solved in 8th video, I guess, the previous video. It is game plan analysis 2. The problem statement what we have today is write a PySpark code that reports the device that is first logged in for each player. Okay, basically we have to write a code that will report the device that is first logged in for each player. That means if you have a users table, the same table I think we have in this scenario also. Yeah, we do have the same table. In previous video, if you remember, we have uh, explained the first login date. Here we have to report the device, which device they have used to log in first time. Okay, so this is also easy concept. The same logic we have to apply. Again, this will be a repetition, but let's see. Let's solve this particular problem. And return type should be in any order. Okay. So I will be sharing the schema and data with you. Let's see the input data and expected output, which is step 2. The input data what we have is the player ID, device ID, event date, and games played. Okay, it is the same data what we have in previous video. So in previous video we have uh, displayed the first login date. Okay, here we have to display the first device ID. Okay, for player ID 1, the device ID is 2. For player ID 2, it is 3. For player ID 3, the first device is 1. So this is what the expected output is. So let's see how we can solve this particular problem. Let's go on to step 3. Before starting step 3, again, if you can give it a try from your side. If you did not get the solution, you can come back and do watch this video. How do I solve? If you have some other approach, also do comment in the comment section so that everyone will get to know what are the various way to solve this one particular problem, right? So I have already created the Spark session and we have the schema and data already. Let me create a data frame. We'll create user data frame is equal to. So we use create data frame function to create a Spark data frame, and in argument we give data comma schema, right? So we have seen this multiple time. Now you should be familiar with this particular function, and if you want to see how the data is looking like, you can use the show function, right? This also we have seen multiple times. So now again, to solve this problem we have to create a column where it is displaying for each player. It should display the device ID. Okay, so to create a new column, we use with column function as you have seen in previous video. So we, in this scenario, to solve this particular problem we have to use the windows function, right? So we want to partition it by player ID and group it, sorry, partition it by player ID and order it by event date, and get the device ID, right? So how do we perform the Windows function? Here we are going to perform the rank function. In previous video also we have performed the rank function. Here also we are performing the same. I think the solution is same. What we have seen in 8th video, game plan analysis 1. All the logic will remain same except instead of getting the event date as first login date, we will be getting the device ID. Okay. So let me show you one more time, so that you will get the you will get familiarized with how do we apply the Windows function, right? So let's first import all the important functions, what all we need. So from PySpark, we need a rank function, right? So to import rank function, we go to pyspark.sql.functions and we will import rank function. Okay, rank function, and from pyspark.sql.windows function, we import Windows, right? And yeah, I think for now we need this much. How do we apply the rank function? So we use this particular df. What we do is we want to create a column right here as rank. So we use with column function. Now we have seen multiple times how to use with function. Uh, Basic syntax is the name of a column, and what is the expression. Okay, expression. Now name of a column, we want to name it as rank. Okay, and the expression what we want to apply is the Windows function, right? So we will use rank function and we will use Windows. I think this should be over. Okay, this should be within over. We want to use Windows, window dot, we want to perform partition, right? So window dot partitioned by. Okay, if I'm not wrong, this is what we have in partitioned. Partitioned, it is not partition, it is partition by. It is okay. Partition by, partition by what column we want to partition it by? We want to partition it by player ID, right? And we want to order it, correct? We want to order by order by column. We want to order it by event date. Okay. And let's see how does the function is looking like. The window has no attribute partition. I think there is some spelling mistake. Partition. Okay, Tion. Tion. Yeah. So partition by and order by. So if you see, we have the rank function here. Uh, Now what we have to do is we just have to save this particular into result df. Okay, and let's try to print the result df dot show. Okay, now to this result function what we can do is we can apply filter. Okay, filter function, and just get the rank, apply the column rank. Okay, we have to get only rank 1. So in this scenario what we will use is rank is equal to 1 dot show. Okay, let's execute this. Now, as you know, we don't want this all columns in the expected output. We have only player ID and device ID. Okay, so let's to extract a particular column, what function we use? We use select function, right? So select, we use column. What all we need? The device ID. Let's check player ID and device ID. Okay, so player ID and device ID we will use. Okay, device ID. Let's see. So for 1 it is 2, for 1 it is 2, for it 2 it is 3, for 2 it is 3, for 3 it is 1, for 3 it is 1. Okay, so we have achieved the expected output. Let's save this into a final DF. There you go. So we have achieved the expected output. So this is how we need to solve any PySpark problem. Remember the steps which I have explained in this video. Try to apply the same approach to solve any PySpark problem. Remember, practice is the only way to learn PySpark. Tell us how you have solved this problem in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video to help others on their PySpark journey. The more you practice, the better you become. So keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you.